Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to edit and format Microsoft Word online. We'll see how to use the table design and table layout tabs to improve both the appearance and structure of a table.
Before we begin, let's understand why table formatting is important. A table may already contain the correct information, but formatting makes it easier to read and gives your document a clean, professional appearance. I already have a table in my document. When I click anywhere inside the table, two new tabs appear on the ribbon: Table Design and Table Layout. Let's start with the Table Design tab. This tab lets you change how the table looks without changing the data inside it. From the Table Styles gallery, choose a style that matches your document. The new style is applied instantly. Next, let's look at the style options. Turn on Header Row to highlight the first row of the table. Enable banded rows to alternate the row colors and improve readability. You can also enable first column or last column to emphasize important columns in the table. Now, let's apply borders to the entire table. Click the Table selector in the upper left corner of the table to select the complete table. Next, click Table Borders. Choose All Borders. The border style is now applied to the entire table. Now, let's format an individual cell. Select the Features header cell. Click Cell Shading. Choose a light blue color. The selected cell is immediately highlighted, making it stand out from the rest of the table. You'll also notice the Table Color option. This option changes the accent color for compatible table styles. Depending on the style you've selected, the change may be subtle or may not be visible in Word Online. Now, let's move to the Table Layout tab. This tab is used to edit the structure and arrangement of the table. First, let's select the header row. Click the selection handle on the left side of the header row to select the entire row. Now, use the alignment options to center the text inside the cells. Notice how the content is now aligned neatly? You can also select any row in the table in the same way. Click the selection handle on 4 dots type icon on the left side of the row you want to select. To select a column, click the selection handle you can see on the top of the row you want to select. The entire column is now selected. Next, click inside a column and drag its border to adjust the column width. You can also increase or decrease the row height to give the content more space. If you need to add a row above the existing data, place the cursor inside that data row. Then, click Insert Inside Table Layout section. Select Insert Row Above. A new row is added directly above the selected row. If a row is no longer needed, click inside that row and click Delete. Then select Delete Row. The remaining rows automatically move up. Finally, click anywhere outside the table to view the finished result. Using Table Design, you can quickly improve the appearance of your tables. Using Table Layout, you can easily select, adjust, add, and manage rows and columns. Together, these tools help you create clean, professional-looking tables in Microsoft Word Online.
If you want to learn the complete Microsoft Word course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.